Morning guys, it's 7 a.m. over here in beautiful Amsterdam. It's a very nice morning and I'm on my way to get the test so I can board the plane to Aruba, and when I board the plane to Aruba we will be able to go on Drift Week. Hey guys, good morning. It's around 8 a.m. I just did my mandatory test, so I'll be able to get on the plane. So I'm picking up our car at the client's place. Yes, we just returned their car, and this is the last job I'm going to do before I'm leaving. So I need to do a little bit of my checklist, a couple things, and then good to go. Gotta pick up a couple things. Slowly working my way down to the checklist. So I need to grab a couple things for making the vlogs, microphone, stuff like that, a couple adapters, some stuff for during the flight, and that's about it. As you can see, it's a wonderful day here in Amsterdam, probably one of the last, because the turn of November it's going to become really cold and shitty. So, made it through customs, and it's a really close call. It's incredible, all the hoops you have to jump through, and looks like everything is going all right. The flight's on schedule. I didn't forget to bring any gum because I really wanted to take some gum when the plane is on liftoff. For the first time in a long time, I got myself some comfortable shoes and pants to wear on the plane, which is something I always forget. Yo, brother.
All good?
What's up? Good to see you again, man.
Yo, how you doing? Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
How was the flight?
Long, man. It was a long flight.
And finally.
You got a new? Did you have a new truck?
Yeah. We changed the Jeep for a truck now.
Oh, it's cool.
Yeah. Fietsbak, maar kom je bro. Zo zelf.
So, back home in my Aruban second home is a place that Monkey hooks me up with when I'm here. Super nice. It's not big, but it's very nice. I really like it. I really love being here. Like, it's such a good atmosphere and people are so fantastic. my friend
Hey,
Aruba and Wesley Snipes.
how you doing, man?
Good man, good to see
We're
you.
back on the island.
Yeah, I need to go to America again. Same story. Same story. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Good to see that truck is running. Yeah.
Hey, Walt.
The master.
How you doing?
I'm good man, you?
Good.
Doing the Lord's work.
What happened so spinner? No, we'll get them in. No, I ain't get them to a good chicken. No.
Je vai tu uma compornada e
É.
agora.
No, no, esse aí não.
Yeah, bro, the old motor. Need some fixing over here.
That's gonna be aluminum parts.
So now it's time to pull all the stuff from this motor, put it on the new motor.
Hey, bonito, que aqui com o Bruno. Que me deve saber, irmão. É homem, mistério alto, sim. É mistério alto. Não tá entendendo.
No, 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 no. The water ground with it.
Aham.
Is this the right process? Finalmente macaco, esse é que me grita.
Sus.
Isso, dá um destroyer lá aqui.
Aí de boa aqui daqui não?
Vai trover.
Sim mesmo.
Ah, opa, o arco tem alta. Ok.
É, mas você põe.
Ah, verdade.
I cannot see it, man.
É bols não? Qual é bols? Qual que não? É bols é press né alumínio.
What are we doing, monkey?
Finally getting her back on the track.
Pulling out some pistons, pulling
Yeah.
out everything.
Changing everything.
And Kim Roy is the supervisor.
Yeah, I'm making sure they're doing a good
With
job.
this supervisor
The
with the
supervisor.
silver whiskey.
Yeah.
Supervisor. Yeah, hier noemen we chupavisor.
Supervisor.
Que Christian, Kiko abulo asi com home com das co. Imagina mo? Imagina
So yan ka defender home, em vez de bisa konyo marfim botira sombra kiki.
Botar em baixo nela.
Sim. Cabeça que quer
Correto. Peraí, bolsa aqui, vai tirar na.
Toma na outra costa, não. Toma. That was it for me today. I did so many.
Super.
My hands are dirty. See that? A lot of work.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's another couple thousand florins.
Quase vou pôr aí lifter na outra passagem, não?
Onde essa câmera? Ah, essa aqui é 12 km. E uno que é sale. Porque esse um com a slabia passando. E tem bitalho.
Sim.
Pode não?
Não, não.
We're shooting up some silver. It's quite a transfer. Is it sick? Damn. That's gonna be cool. That's gonna be cool stuff. Oh my god, I'm getting goosebumps. Woohoo! The guys shot some silver paint on Tyler's S13. A car had been in a little accident because somebody ran into him. But that's not the final color. This is just the base color that you have to shoot for a certain effect paint. And that effect color is going to be applied right now. Oh man, that is some lowrider look or some shit. That's cool. Oh my god, man.
I like.
Ooh, fancy. The whole car is silver. Or just the interior?
That's a secret. That's a secret.
Everything that's pink is going silver.
See that?
Damn boy. Getting into that Mustang week vibe. Of course, it's super nice to spend 2 weeks here on the island, although it's mandatory for me to be able to enter the United States because I still have to travel ban now for almost 600 days. And yeah, of course, it's super nice. It's paradise over here, as you can see, very cool. But the weeks coming up to Drift Week have also been extremely stressful. Right before I had to leave, I had to take care of so many things, setting up the shop so I can leave and everybody can keep going. Couple really big projects that we finished up right before I left. It's just a couple of those things. It's very difficult to let other people solve that. So it's not all fun and games. I think I worked every day of the week for 6 or 7 weeks prior to going to Aruba, and those are weeks where I start at 7 in the morning with the emails and all the stuff, and I get home from the shop around 10 or 11 in the evening. So I'm not complaining, but that's in case everybody thinks like, oh, it's just nice to go to Aruba, this and that. Of course it's nice, of course I love it, but you need to push like really hard and do like weeks that are 90 to 100 hours work a week, not counting all the stuff that I have to answer on Facebook and Instagram and all those things, helping all our clients out, like when it's like FD, Formula Drift, a lot of guys hit me up and they're like, hey, we're doing this and that, the car does that, what do you think, and all that stuff. I love doing it, but of course it just basically still is work. It still means that I I can't do anything else than that. So really nice to have these 2 weeks. There's a little bit of a buffer period between drift week and some crazy almost 2 months back home. And yeah, really excited, of course. So nice of you guys to check it out. And of course, you're coming with me every step of the way.
Yeah.